Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to make a beautiful decorative hanging, or you can say wind chime kind of thing, but it will not make sound actually. And that's too from the newspaper. So this is the project which we are going to make today. The requirements are as on your screen. So first of all, we need a newspaper. We need to cut it into 4 parts like I am doing over here, and also we need to tear them from the center. I mean, we need to separate each and every page in a single page. So we need to do that as well. Now take this papers, and we need a wooden dowel or something to make a pipe out of it. So create lots of pipes using this technique. Now we will first make the rounds. So for that, take a pipe and start rolling it. Make a tight coil out of it and keep adding the pipes. When the first pipe ended, keep adding the other pipe in front of it. Either you can like insert the pipe in the previous one, or you can make it like in this way, I mean by stacking them onto each other. So you can apply glue, but not everywhere. Somewhere like where the joint is coming, you can apply glue at those parts. We like avoid using the glue everywhere. So once like your pipe is like you used basically 3-4 pipe, it will be like quite difficult to make the roll. So take the support of the surface you are making on to make a tight coil. Now you have to make 3 such coils, and they should be of different size. Now we are going to create the bells. So for bell we will be using 1 pipe each for 1 tight coil, and we will be making around 13 bells using this technique, and 1 bell using 2 pipes we need to make a bigger one. Okay, so using single pipe you need to make 13 bells, and using 2 pipes you need to make a coil from which we will be making a big bell. So once these things are done, you need to take a mixture of Fevicol and water and apply all over these small elements we have made to make them stick together, and to make them a bit harder. Also this will avoid like opening up of the coil as well. So you need to apply glue on the first side first, and then once it's dry you need to apply it on the other side. Similar process you have to follow with the bells. You need to apply glue inside the bell and upper side of the bell. So once this process is done and the elements are dried completely, you need to take black acrylic color and apply all over all the elements. One thing I would like to suggest you over here is that when you are making the coils, you can use that wooden dowel to start making the coil, so that there is a hole in the center. It will be easier later to you to make the wind chime, as we need to like put a jute rope from these, and we had faced a bit difficulty in inserting the jute rope, although I had found a hack for that as well, that I will be showing you later on. And I mean you can take this precaution beforehand, and you can use a thin maybe that salai or something to start the coil with, so that there is a hole in between the bells as well, and as well as the rounds. So here I am painting the black color all over the elements. I actually had thought to make it in a metallic look, so I am painting them black and then I will be giving it that metallic look. You can paint it in any color you want. So once all the elements dried up, I took this golden metallic color from Hobby Ideas Fevicryl, and using my finger I applied it like roughly on the edges and all, so it finally gave me a metallic look. You can paint these coasters kind of thing, or these round kinds of thing to any color you want, and you are good to go. I'm so sorry, I got some off focus in this part, but I guess it is clear. So once everything is dried up, so here is the problem I faced. I mean, we were not able to insert the jute rope because it is a bit thick than the normal thread, and we cannot use the normal thread. So I used my ball tool to make a hole, but I had to be very careful, otherwise it could have opened my coil. So you can take this thing as precautionary measure beforehand. Okay, now we attached these balls, ring balls, to this jute, small jute ropes. So my plan was to add 6 coils to the biggest circle, 4 coil to the medium circle, and 3 to this smallest circle. So we divided the circles accordingly as per the numbers of bells we want to attach to them, and we attached the bells to the rings. Now take a long thread, I mean approximately the thread which will be required to attach all the rings and bells and all, and attach the biggest bell in the bottom of it. Now from the top insert the smallest ring, and here we also faced a difficulty, so we had to make a knot to make this smallest ring to keep them in space. So we had to make a knot, so we could have made the knot first and attach the biggest bell later, but we didn't thought of that thing. So yeah, you can do that as well. Now make the knot by deciding where you want to place the medium ring, and make a knot beforehand before inserting the bells and this medium ring, and similarly you have to do this for the biggest circle. Make 2 or 3 knots to keep it in the place. So now make a knot on the top as well, and make a loop for the hanging purpose. In the last what I had did, these knots were visible, so I had pasted, you can obviously keep them as it is, or you may like paste the masking tape, color it black and give it that shiny look, and your project will be ready. So I hope you like this video. Please do consider subscribing and left some love. Bye bye.